Alright, I'm going to show you how to replace the battery on your honeywell. And the only thing you have to do, I'm going to turn this off. You just grab this, just pull up at the bottom, and then it comes off the hooks. You see the two hooks up there? And if you look up here, and these are AAA batteries. You see the little hook parts? And once you change the batteries, and make sure if you're using electric, slide it to the electric or heat pump. If you're using gas, slide it to the gas and oil. So mine's electric. So to put it back on, you just take this, you put the top part on first, and then you just push it in. That's it. That's all to it. Alright, if this video helped, subscribe to my channel, and thank you and have a great day. And you can also purchase this on the links below in the description on my Amazon account. Thank you.